What's up, everybody? It's your boy DC The Truth. Man, I don't search all over YouTube of like a car this model. Basically, how to wire aftermarket tweeters in your current tweeter location. You know, I can see everybody soldering and all that. You know, they got connections to the wiring harness. They're going all the way, you know, behind the radio kit and running wire from there. Look, just a regular upgrade. I had to kind of figure this out for myself. I'm not, you know, I can do speakers and stuff like that. I ain't a big audio guy, but let's get right to it, right? For this model right here, as you can see with this tweeter, oh, it don't even have a nut on there. So basically, when I pull this back, y'all can see that it's pretty much being soldered on there. And you know what's weird? I had to do a reverse polarity test on the other side because the other side is a different color wire. Let me show you. Genius, right? Does not even match the Toyota wiring diagram. Guess which one of these is positive? Yeah, I didn't know either. The black one is positive. The brown is my negative or ground. So I don't know what Genius did that. So basically, usually, I don't know, in my case, I'm going to use the same bracket this came off of. I guess it's a Bose flush mount. And I was hearing a lot of people like, oh, you need to get an inline capacitor, you know, with the tweeters. You know, if you look at the old one, you know, it kind of have a little one like built in here, you know, it's old, right? I mean, a lot of these YouTube channels not really explaining nothing. So the ones I got in particular, I don't know, I might just throw the link in the description with these tweeters. As y'all can see, this big round thing, that's my capacitor that's already on there. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna use these butt connectors, connect everything, put the tweeters in, and that's it. All right, y'all, 2.5-minute video. This is all I'm gonna do. Cut those wires, match the positive with positive, negative with negative, and we're gonna have the tweeters. We're gonna see how it look after this. Yeah. I know you guys that do this for a living. It's gonna kill me in the comments for my wire management. I'm sorry, I kept saying butt connector. They're splice connectors. So I'm gonna turn this on and see if I hear anything out of the tweeter. Let me just play something. I'm not trying to get copyright, but let me see. Let me turn this down. Oh shoot, I can actually hear something in the tweeter. But yeah, that's it, y'all. All right.